We are with Oglethorpe coach Jim Owen, defending national champion, and I know when the day started, if I said 19 over, you probably wouldn't have been too pleased with that, but you're going to be in the top 10, and under the conditions, you might have gotten the worst of it.
Yeah, I think we may have gotten the worst of it. We made the turn, and I think somebody said we were leading by 3. I didn't look at the scoreboard when I walked by, but somebody said we were leading by 3. And the weather had held up pretty good for us, but the back 9, the rain came, and the temperature probably dropped 10 degrees. And so we may have caught the worst part of it here at the end, and probably lost 7-8 strokes that we could have maybe saved some of them on the way in with a little bit better break on the weather.
The good news is you had some great resiliency because you really started going south, and the last couple of players got some birdies. You got some birdies right at the end.
Yeah, Craig Stevenson finished very, very strong, and very proud of the sophomore. And then Scott Pugh finishes with 2 birdies coming in on 17 and 18, which were very, very impressive and very tough because it's flat cold right now.
Well, tomorrow's another day, and like I said, 19 over is not what you wanted, but top 10, and you got yourself in position, don't you?
Yeah, we're in position. We're in position. We were in 16th place last year after day 1, and might be a little ahead of that this time, but we got to go to the Hershey course now and hold our serve over there, and then be back here for 2 more great days of finishing.
Well, good luck tomorrow.
Thank you.